now.
Even in two wheels has control. I don't know how they do it. Good morning, my condoritos. I hope you're having a great day today. Do you guys recognize this spot or not? If you guys are my viewers, you should recognize this place. What we are going to be doing right now is a speed test. Yes, speed test. ARRMA family. Which ARRMA family member? Well, this big boy here is the today's starring of the show. We are going to be testing this boy for speed test here. I hope you guys enjoy my condoritos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today is a cloudy day. It was raining. I'm praying to my Lord so we don't get too much rain today, but I'm planning to do video on the rain anyhow. So GPS is mounted, all set. Yes, I'm recording. So let's make it happen, guys. I'm gonna go straight to 100%, guys. Straight to 100. A little bit of practice. I think the steering is too sensitive. Right. It's really hard to get on the full speed here because of the wind. Basically impossible to get 100% of the steering on this car. Guys, it's basically impossible to get 100% of the steering on this car. There you go, full throttle for a little bit. Wow, look. Wow, look. Guys, this is freaking amazing. This is amazing. I can't believe how fun is this. Because the car, even in two wheels, has control. I don't know how they do it. I'm gonna do one more pass because I just want to make sure that I got the best result. Here we go, guys. Full throttle now. Stop. Full throttle now. All right, guys, now let's see what we got. I'm gonna 42 and I didn't get full speed. I did not get full speed and the battery died. This battery is something that's going on with the battery, so I'm gonna replace the battery now. So I know I don't have the right battery for this one so far. I'm gonna order it this week. So I put a 3000 milliampere battery with an adapter here. It's a DIN adapter. So I'm gonna check the battery, guys, because it looks like I had a problem with this battery. So this is what I'm gonna be checking. 11.2, but it's shutting down. So I don't know what's going on with this battery. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to replace this one for this one. I guess I need an adapter, which it should be over here. So, all right, guys, let's do it again. Track, start, measuring. All right, cool. All right, gotta go there again. Okay, let's go, guy. Full speed. I got it on full throttle there. Camera, action set. I'm at 50%, guys, because I got the camera mounted, so I don't want to ruin the camera, of course. Oh. That's another animal.
conclusion, this car is absolutely amazing. However, I have noticed that the ESC cuts power during full throttle every 2 to 3 minutes. I'm currently investigating why this is happening, but I suspect this car requires a more powerful battery. Likely a 50C rating or higher, as I was only using a 35C pack. Even so, the handling is incredibly impressive, even when running on two wheels. As for the speed, 48 miles per hour isn't even its top end. I've already ordered a proper high discharge battery and will be testing it again very soon. I'm confident we'll break 50 miles per hour. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Mike and Doritos.